Hello dear students, welcome to Vision Pharmacy. In our today's video, we are going to have a quick revision on synonyms and parts of the plant used in pharmacognosy. Okay, so before we start with our today's video, please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting updates on upcoming videos. Let's begin. The first one is laxative. These are the agents to facilitate bowel movement. Okay, so looking to the drugs which are laxatives, the first drug is aloe and the synonym of aloe is musabbar. ठीक है, whereas part of the plant is not applicable because here it is dried juice of the leaf. ठीक है, therefore here part is not applicable. Moving to next one, that is rhubarb and the synonym is rhizome and the part of the plant here is rhizome. Then the third one, castor oil, synonym is resinous oil and again as it is a fixed oil, therefore part of the plant is not applicable. Then moving to next, that is isabgula, synonym isabgul and it is dried seeds. Then the next one, Indian senna, synonym is Tennivallicina and part of the plant here is fresh or dried leaflets. Then looking to the further drugs. The next one is Alexandrian senna. So synonym of Alexandrian senna is Folia senna or Cassia senna and again it is fresh or dried leaflets. Then the next drug is senna fruit. Synonym of senna fruit is senna pods and it is dried fruit. Moving to next category. So next category is cardiotonic. Cardiotonics are the agents that increases the force of contraction of cardiac muscle and stimulates the overall activity of the heart. Okay. Now looking to the drugs. So the first drug is digitalis and synonym for digitalis is foxglove leaf. Okay. And it consists of dried leaves. Moving to the next one, the second is rhubarb. Arjuna. Synonym of Arjuna as such is Arjuna bark and it is dried stem bark. Then coming to next one, that is carminatives and GI regulators. Carminatives are the drugs which expel the excessive gas in the stomach or intestine. Okay. Now the drug which belong to this category include first one is coriander. So synonym is coriander fruit and part of the plant, that is it is dried ripe fruits. The second one is cardamom. Synonym of cardamom is cardamom fruit and again it is dried ripe fruits. Then third one, that is black pepper. Synonym is only pepper. Okay, and part of the plant that is used is again dried unripe fruits. Okay, here it is unripe. Then the next one, that is fennel. So fennel synonym is Fructus furniculum and part of the plant is dried ripe fruits. Moving to next one, that is ginger. Synonym is gingiber and it is part of the plant that is used is rhizome. Okay, then next one is asafoetida. Okay, and synonym is devil's dung and here part of plant is not applicable. It is oleogum resin, okay, obtained by making incision from living rhizome and root. Okay, so here part of plant is not applicable. Moving to next one, that is cinnamon. So cinnamon synonym is Ceylon cinnamon and part of plant which is applicable is dried inner bark. Then next one is nutmeg and synonym of this drug, that is nutmeg, is Nux moscata. Okay, Nux moscata is synonym for nutmeg and not Nux vomica. And the part of plant that is used is dried kernels of seed. Moving further, the next drug which belongs to that of carminatives is clove. Synonym of clove is Caryophyllum and part of the plant that is used is dried flower buds. Then the next drug which belongs to carminative category is ajwain and synonym for the drug is bis hops weed. I repeat, Bishop's weed, and again it is dried ripe fruit. Then the next drug is caraway, and synonym for caraway is Fructus caravi, and it is again dried ripe fruits. And last in this category is dill. Dill, synonym of dill is Fructus anithi, and part of the plant is dried ripe fruit. The next category of drug is antihypertensive. So these are the medicaments which are given in treatment of high blood pressure. Okay, and the drug which belong to this category are first one, that is Raulfia. Synonym for Raulfia, you can call it as Raulfia root, also Chota Chand, Sarpagandha, and snake root. And part of the plant that is used is dried roots. Then next category is astringents. These are the agents that contracts the tissue and arrest the secretion and controls the bleeding. Okay, and the drug which belong to this category include first one, that is black catechu, also known as khadir. It is also known as katha and khair. Okay, and part of the plant is not applicable as it is dried aqueous extract of the heartwood of the plant. Okay, then the next drug in this category is Gambir catechu, and synonym is Pil catechu. Part of the plant is again not applicable to that of Gambir catechu. Moving to the next category, that is drug acting on nervous system. Okay, moving to the drugs in this category, the first drug is hyoscyamus, and synonym is henbane. Okay, and part of the plant that is used is dried leaves and flowering tops. Then the second one is datura. Synonym of the plant is datura herb, and part of the plant that is used is your dried leaves and flowering tops. Then the next drug in this category is belladonna herb. Its synonym is deadly nightshade leaves, and part of the plant that is used is dried leaves. Then the next drug in this category is aconite. Synonym of aconite is monkhood, and the part of the plant that is used is dried tuberous roots. Then moving to next drug in the same category, the drug is ashwagandha. Okay, the synonym of this drug is Withania roots, and part of the plant that is used is dried root and stem base. Then the next drug is ephedra. Synonym of ephedra is mahong, and it consists of dried young stem. Then next drug in the same category is opium. Synonym is raw opium, and part of the plant is not applicable as it is dried latex. Then the next drug is cannabis. Synonym is Indian hemp, and part of the plant that is used is dried flowering tops. Okay, then moving to next drug in the same category, the drug is Nux vomica. Synonym of Nux vomica is crow fig or Semen stretchini, and part of the plant that is used is dried ripe seeds. So these were the different drugs belonging to drug acting on nervous system. Moving to the next category, that is antitussive. These are the agents which are used in symptomatically controlling the cough. Okay, and the drug which belong to this category includes first one, that is Vasaka. Synonym of Vasaka is Atatoda, and part of the plant that is used is dried and fresh leaves. Then the next antitussive drug is Tulsi. Synonym of Tulsi is sacred basil, and part of the plant that is used is dried and fresh leaves. Then the third which belongs to the same category is Tolu balsam, and synonym of this drug is balsam of Tolu. Part of the plant is not applicable to this drug. Okay, then the next category of drug is antirheumatics. So the drugs which are used to relieve or used in treatment of rheumatism are called as antirheumatic drugs. Okay, then the drugs which are used are The first one is Indian Delium, and synonym of the drug is Google or gum Google or also scented Delium, and part of the plant is not applicable as it is oleogum resin. Next one is Indian colchicum. Synonym of the drug is colchicum seed, and part of the plant that is used is dried seeds. Then moving to next one, that is colchicum corm. Synonym for colchicum corm is meadow saffron corn, and synonym are corms. Okay, sorry, part of the plant that is used are corms. Then moving to next drug, that is belonging to class of antileprotics. These drugs are used in treatment of leprosy, okay, and the drug is cholmogra oil. Synonym of cholmogra oil is hydrocarpus oil, also Ginocardia oil, and these are the fixed oil which are obtained from ripe seeds, therefore part of the plant is not applicable. Moving to the next one, that is anti-tumor drugs. These are the drugs which can be used in treatment of cancer, and the drug to this category is Vinca. Synonym for Vinca is Catharanthus, also Vinca roses or periwinkle, and part of the plant that is used is whole of the plant. Then moving to next category is anti-diabetic, that is the drug which are used in treatment of diabetes. The drug belonging to this category include first one, that is gymnema. Synonym for gymnema is gudmar. It is also called as madhunashini, and part of the plant that is used is leaves. Then the second one is pterocarpus. Synonym of the drug is bijasal, also known as Indian kinnoa tree, and it is dried juice, therefore part of the plant is not applicable. Moving to the next category, that is diuretics. Okay, so these are the drugs which increases flow of urine, and the drug which belong to this category is first one, that is gokru. Its synonym is puncture vine, and part of the plant that is used is ripen fruits. Then the second is Punarnava. So Punarnava is also known as Rakta Punarnava or hogweed. Okay, and part of the plant that is used is fresh and dried herb. The next category of drug is antidysenteric. So antidysenteric, that is those drugs which are used to prevent dysentery, and the drugs which are used are first one, that is Ipecacuanha. Synonym is ipecac, and part of the plant that is used is dried roots or rhizomes. Then moving to next category, that is antiseptics and disinfectants. Antiseptics are the agent which are used to kill pathogenic microbes or prevent their growth on living tissues, whereas disinfectants are the agent which kill bacteria and their spores on non-living objects. Then the drugs which belong to this category include first one, that is turmeric. Synonym of turmeric is Indian saffron. In Hindi it is known as haldi, and part of the plant that is used is rhizome. Moving to the second drug. The drug is benzoin. It is also known as Sumatra benzoin or gum benzoin, and in Hindi it is called as loban, whereas part of the plant is not applicable as it belongs to resin category. Then the next drug is mir. Synonym of mir is gum mir or also ball, and again it is an oleogum resin, therefore part of the plant is not applicable. Then the next drug is neem. Synonym of neem is margosi, and the part of the plant that is used is leaves and the entire aerial part that is present. Then the next drug is belonging to category of antimalarials. So antimalarial means the drugs which are used in the treatment or prophylaxis of malaria, right? And the drug which belong to this category is cinchona. Synonym of cinchona is Jesuit bark or Peruvian bark, and part of the plant of this cinchona is its dried bark. Moving to the next category. The next category is oxytocin, and oxytocin means the drugs which are used to have stimulant effect on motility of the uterus. Okay, and the drug used is ergot. Synonym for ergot is ergot of rye or ergota, and again part of plant is not applicable to ergot. Moving to next category, that is vitamins. So you know, these are the substances that are considered to be essential for the maintenance of normal metabolic functions. Okay, then the drug which belong to vitamins are, first one, that is shark liver oil, also known as oleum thalassoides. However, it is a fixed oil, therefore part of plant is not applicable. Then the next drug belonging to the same category is amla. Synonym for amla are Emlica, Indian gooseberry, and Emlica myrobalan. Okay, and part of the plant that is used is fresh and dried fruits of this plant. Okay, then moving to next category, that is miscellaneous drugs, and the drugs included are, first one, that is licorice. So synonym of this drug is glycyrrhiza, or it is also known as muleti in Hindi, or it can be called as licorice roots. And part of the plant that is used is dried peeled and unpeeled roots and stolons. Then moving to second drug belonging to miscellaneous drug is picrorhiza. Synonym of picrorhiza is Indian gentian, also kutki, and part of the plant that is used is dried rhizomes. Then the next drug in the same category is Dioscorea. Synonym of the drug is yum or rheumatism root, and part of the plant that is used is dried tubers. Moving to the next drug in the same category is pyrethrum, and synonym of pyrethrum is insect flower, and part of the plant that is used is dried flower heads. So that's all in our today's video. We have studied almost 50 plus drugs along with their synonym and part of the plant used. Thank you.